All right, we are at 1403 7th Street, Glenarden, Maryland, and we are going to be attempting to do a shingle replacement. Obvious wind damage here, so we're going to have to lift two shingles above. Ugh. See if I can. There. Okay, right there it is. That one's already loose. All right, shingle underneath within that box is the one we're going to be replacing. So 2 layers above, 2 shingle lines above is what we will be having to manipulate in order to get the shingle we're replacing out. Just seeing where he was just pulling this loose, it's already tearing there. Same thing on that one there, it just tore loose as well. So the fiberglass shingle is kind of brittle. Actually today, just to reiterate, today is October the 28th. It's about 2:15 p.m. Hold it right there. Okay, so we're lifting this shingle up. They say with a 5-inch reveal, not supposed to lift it any more than a 45-degree angle, which this is a 45-degree angle. In order to be at 45, we'd have to be all the way at this height, which we are not. Just showing that we are doing this correctly. Shingle out. Also, one thing to note is the shingle that we're using to replace is not an exact match to this. Closest that we could find, it's a little bit darker than what this is. Okay, take a look here. See where the matting tore underneath whenever he was releasing the nails. Same thing there. Any up underneath that, but you also have tears here to the shingles. It's just basically kind of falling apart. They are, it is kind of brittle, existing. All right, go ahead. tear there. Just had another spot right there that tore while he was nailing it. Huh. I know you do that. I mean, it's brittle. Okay, let's take a look. All right, this one here actually is broke off. We got some bites and pieces out of it. Again, you can see where you got some matting displacement in these areas, some tears in it from where the nails were coming in and out, nailing. Because of the additional damage that's here and the age of this, the tear in that spot, so it would be considered a fail because these shingles above are nowhere near able to be repaired correctly. And that concludes this shingle replacement repair.